We've all gone through a very difficult phase in our lives and have experienced so much of distress. In all of this, there have been conversations that people have had about how to stay positive, be positive, find your positivity. We all have come across the word positive so many times. And a lot of times we may well wonder, how do I stay positive? I've had difficulties at a personal level, at a financial level, at an academic level, in my workplace, with my relations, with my health. There is so much that has happened. How do I be positive? How do I stay positive? And I think this is something we all need to reflect upon. Positivity is inside you, the positive you. Is it in my control what happens in the world? More often than not, it's not. Can I do something about the uncertainty and get a clarity about how the future is going to be, how things will change? No. What is in my control? If I'm a student, I don't know when the exam would be had, but I do know if I study and maintain my sense of motivation and purpose, I do well. Now that's positivity, which means focusing on what you can, not what you can't. And more importantly, ensuring that you put in your effort. If you maintain your sense of purpose and effort, and you accept that you have a goal, the goal may be personal, the goal may be professional, but that you need to reach a destination. You need to reach a big milestone. You need to learn to celebrate each smaller milestones. Because these smaller milestones will instill hope, optimism, positivity. Each milestone will be a learning experience. You had a difficult last few days and then you took help from a friend. You learned that by talking about things, by seeking help, you can come over difficult situations. That made you positive. When you saw people helping each other in the last few months in such difficult times, that gave you confidence that we are not alone. That instills positivity. You get a negative thought, I may not do well in this, I'm not good enough for this. This is when you question this negative thought. Remind yourself about your past experience. Keep reminding yourself every time you had a success, every time you came over a challenge. And those moments you continue to cherish and you keep building on them. You recognize your strengths. Don't shy away from them. You keep developing them, harnessing them. And that's what will help you continue to move forward. But in the same time, you also recognize your weaknesses. Take help, take guidance, and work on them as well. But never forget to cherish success. Never. So even for example, if you were able to take time out for your own self on a very difficult day, that's also being positive. So smile, enjoy the difficulties and the successes. Believe in yourself. In that belief lies the hope for a future. And ensure that you always hold on to and cherish the positive you, because positivity is in you.